Left side keep adding everyone. Geometry. Geometry is derived from geometry is derived from geometry is derived from Greek word geos means earth, geos means earth, and metron means measure. This chapter is students complete theoretical chapter. Geometry is derived from Greek words geo means earth and metron means measure. Now first concept I am going to explain about point. Left side keep heading point. Point is represented by, note down, point is represented by point is represented by point is represented by a small dot, represented by a small dot, and it is denoted by capital letters, and it is denoted by capital letters, and is denoted by capital letters. Yes. Keep 1 star points. First star points. Point has no shape and no size. Point has no shape and no size. Example, suppose students I want to represent one point. Suppose that point name is A. Now firstly I will write one dot, and that point will represent by using capital letter. We can take any letters, alphabet, capital A. I want to represent point B. Then I will write one dot and letter will be capital letter. Okay, always point will represent by using capital letters. If I want to represent point T, then I will write one dot, I will mention one dot and I can write capital T. Next keep heading, line. Next keep heading, line. Next keep heading, line. Line is a collection of points. A line is a Note down. A line is a collection of points. What is line? Line is a collection of points. Note down again. Point is represented by a small dot and it is denoted by capital letters. First star point. Point has no shape and no size. Example, if I want to represent point A, then I can keep one dot and I can represent by using capital letters. Point B means B capital letter, point T means T capital letter. Next, line. A line is a collection of points. Line is a collection of points. Suppose I am writing one point here. Example, listen carefully. Suppose this is point. I am taking 2 points. One point I have taken here, point A. Second point is point B. Now I am joining this point A and point B. This is what? Line. Collection of points is called line. Got it? Suppose I am taking one point is P, second point is Q, and third point is R. I am joining PQR. Collection of this 3-point PQR is line. Draw this figure, everyone. Let's note down first star point. Line has how many end point? Line has how many end point? And no end point. Trishika. Line has end point and line don't have end point. Note down first star point. Line can be extended. First star points. Line can be extended. Line can be extended infinitely in both the direction. Infinitely in the both direction. Infinitely in the both directions. Then we can say line has no end point. Now how to represent line AB? Suppose I want to represent line AB, then what is the symbol? Which symbol we are using for line? Listen carefully, everyone. Stop writing, everyone. How to represent line AB? Check it here. Stop writing, everyone. Now first line I have draw AB. How to denote that line AB? I can denote like that. line AB, I can write AB. This is line AB or AB. Got it, everyone? This is line AB or AB. There are two ways are there to represent the lines. First way, I can keep arrow both side, and or without arrow we can write. Got it, everyone? If I want to represent PR line, then how to represent? I can say PR or only PR. Got it? Got it, everyone? How to represent line? Yeah, note down, everyone. Line AB is equal to, this is a symbol of line, or without symbol we can write. Next key heading, line segments. Next key heading, line segments. Line segment. A line segment is a part of a line. A line segment is the part of a line. A line segment is a part of line. Line segment is a part of line that is bounded by two distinct endpoints. Distinct endpoints. Line segment is a part of line. Line segment is a part of line that is bounded by two distinct endpoints. Now example I want to write. Example. Suppose I want to represent line segment AB. Line segment AB. This is first endpoint, second endpoint. This is AB. Now, what is the symbol? How to denote line segment AB? Line segment AB is equal to, directly I can write AB, only one line. This is a symbol of line segment. Then we can say, students, when I want to draw any line segment, then how many endpoint is there? Line segment have two endpoints. Line segments have two endpoints. Note down, everyone. Line segment. A line segment is a part of line that is bounded by distinct endpoints. Example, if I want to represent AB line segment, then what is the notation? Simply I can draw one line. The line segment AB is equal to AB line. Line segments have two endpoints. Next keep adding ray, R-A-Y. A ray is a line. A ray is a line with an endpoint. With an endpoint. And and it extends infinitely in another direction. A ray is a line with an endpoint and it extends infinitely in another direction. In another direction. In another direction. Now I want to give examples. Right. Example. Suppose I want to draw ray AB. Means ray has only one endpoint and other side we can extend infinitely. This is A and this is B. Then I can say ray AB is equal to AB. On the top I can show arrow, only one side arrow. If both side arrow is there means that is line. No arrow, line segment. One arrow, ray. Now all students open course book, page number 30. Open course book everyone, page number 30. Right. A ray has one end point. All students open course book, page number 30. Unit 1. Week 4. Section A. First bit, fill in the blanks. First bit, fill in the blanks. A question he has asked, a line segment has how many endpoint? 2 endpoint. A answer is 2. B question, a line has how many endpoint? No endpoint. C, a line segment has a definite length. A line segment has definite length. D, array has only one endpoint, 1. E, array PM is represented as PM arrow, we can mention on the top. F, a point shows a definite location. G, a tabletop gives an idea of plane. H, concurrent line passes through the single point. Concurrent means when all lines are passing through single point, that is called concurrent point. Single point. Yes, first bit completed. Note down everyone. Second bit, second bit, true or false. A question, a line has fixed length. Line has not fixed length. Line don't have fixed length. Answer is what? False. B question, two lines in a plane always intersect each other. False. C, a line extends indefinitely in both the direction. True. D question, the point of intersection of two lines is called the point of concurrence. No, more than 2 points, if more than two lines are intersecting at one point, that is called concurrent line. When two lines are intersecting, that is not concurrent. False. E, only one line can be drawn through a given point in a plane. False. We can draw infinite. F question. Two lines are concurrent if both of them passes through the same point. True. G. Three or more points which lie on the same line is called collinear point. Right. More than two. If three or more points which lie on the same line are called collinear points. Very good. Right answer. True. Again check it. A answer is false. B is true. Sorry, B is false. C is true. D is false. E answer false. F is true. G is true. Last question. Parallel lines are two lines that are always the same distance apart and never touch. True.